Ooh, that is a beauty. Beautiful. Alright guys, welcome back. Another day with Phil Super, and here's the plan for today. So the car is pretty much running. I know I said I was going to fix the alternator last time. What happened is it wasn't the wiring. The alternator itself is dead, so I got a new one shipping in. Right, used one, but I got another one shipping in that I'm going to pop in once I get it. But in the meantime, I'm going to raise the suspension up. So as you can tell, I'm pretty stancy-pantsy at the point. It's only a few inches off the ground. That's it with it up on wood slats right now. And it's just the point where it's not fun to drive, it's just annoying because all I'm thinking about is how I'm gonna scrape on something. So what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna raise it up a few inches and then hopefully we should be all right. So what I'm trying, or the measure that I'm going for, is I'm gonna try to go to where the top of the tire would be. So instead of at this line right here, I'm gonna go up to where just the top. So that'll be about 1 inch up. So I'm just gonna raise it all up by 1 inch. And then we'll kind of go from there. Fronts too, so that way the splitter's a little more off the ground. And that's the plan. While they're up, I'm going to take a pressure washer and wash out all the inside of everything because I might as well. And it's out and I'll have plenty of time to dry. So I'm just going to set you down and we're going to get rolling. Battery, as you can expect, is starting to die. So we'll just kind of see what happens from there. We'll see how long you guys can see it. Update time. I finished the first coilover loaded down and I also did the back one as well, but what happened is I totally forgot to film the back because I was so caught up struggling with the front that, well, I just straight forgot. So those are up an inch. I had the other side to do. I'll just catch you up afterwards. I'm probably going to finish just that one tonight. I'm going to give this one a shot, but it's around getting near 4 o'clock and I have stuff going on from 5 till the end of the night. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep grinding on those two. You don't need to see them because it's the same as these ones, even though I didn't show you. We'll just catch you up afterwards when it comes time to pressure wash it, which will probably be the next day. And then we'll get the wheels back on and see how it looks, a little bit raised up. Well, here it is. I totally forgot to film it while I was cleaning. I think I got maybe one wheel and then just forgot to move the camera. But this is it. Ride height's a bit high right now, but honestly, I've driven it a couple times like this and it's nice. This is a couple days later, so my bad. I also changed the tires. I need to trim my vinyl, but I didn't change the tires. I just rotated them out, so now that bald side, that's what I was driving on, but not anymore. So now all the grip's on the inside. Alright, so that's really about it, kind of. So I can't remember, honestly, it's been a few days since I last took a video. I don't know if I showed you with it once I put it back on the ground to see the new height. If I didn't, or even if I did, here's some pictures of what it looks like. Now I went out for a little photo shoot before work at my gas station, so here's those. And yeah, I'm liking it. I don't know. I'm at a weird point with the car where I see the end and I don't really know what to do next. So as for driving the car, I'm enjoying it up. I know a lot of you liked it really low. And going high isn't something you're a big fan of, but it makes it so practical and I can drive around everywhere and it's so easy. But yeah, I just don't know what to do next. We're gonna have a day where we clean up everything, finish putting the trim back in, literally clean the car. The inside's kind of still a mess, just I've thrown everything in the back. I'm gonna replace the center console again with one of the Mitsubishi. It's just a little sleeker and I like it a bit better. Clean up the engine bay, make all the wires tidy, everything. And then that's really it. It has a slight misfire, but I think an injector is just a little clogged, so I'm running some cleaner through it, and hopefully that'll clear that out. And yeah, I love the 1J. It's great, but I don't know what to do next. I don't know. I'm definitely going to need to take a break from spending for a while, because that one really hit my bank account hard. As a 21-year-old kid, money doesn't come easily, and I have college to save up for, so as great as that was to do that, I need to take a break from that, but I want to still do car things and make more videos for you guys. So I've toyed with a bunch of ideas, things that I could do for fairly cheap. One of the things I might do is I might give away the wing, which, because I have another wing in store or in mind, that's a lot less or a lot more subtle, but I think it would fit the car a bit better. But yeah, I've also toyed with the idea of selling it for something a little ridiculous and just seeing what happens. So yeah, I don't know where I'm going to go with it. Anything, if you have any ideas, please suggest them below. Just remember that I'm a little short on money, so as much of you who will type turbo kit, I wish I could, but I can't right now. So yeah, I don't know. We're nearing an end, but hopefully more stuff to come. Thanks guys, don't forget to do the usual. Dislike, unsubscribe, hate in the comments. Bye.